Hi, I'm Margaret. This old-fashioned treat originated in the north of England and it has some gorgeous ingredients. So we're going to start with a loose bottom tin, and the loose bottom will help us get the Parkin out more easily once it's cooked. Once I've given the bottom a good buttering, I find the easiest way to pop the paper in is to fold it into quarters, then again and again, popping the point into the centre and cutting it to size. This should fit quite nicely and cover the bottom. Let's just straighten that up a little bit. There we go. Now, because this is a loose bottom tin, I'm going to double line it. My baking paper isn't quite wide enough, so I'm going to have to use 2 pieces here. I'm going to butter around the base of the tin and then pop it straight in. Give it a push and there we go. That crinkly paper will give it a lovely distinctive edge. I've got this pan on a weighing scales so that when I come to the sticky ingredients like the treacle and the syrup, it'll be a lot easier to weigh them. So let's pop all these ingredients into the pan. I really should use black treacle more often. It's such a gorgeous ingredient. You can see how dark it is. Oh, will you look at that, so sweet and thick. And it has such a lovely rich flavour. I'm going to use a nice large spoon of that and then make up the rest in golden syrup. And then on the stove with it until the sugar has completely dissolved. And while it's doing that, let's get the dry ingredients together in a bowl. It's these spices that give the Parkin its unique flavour. You can use oatmeal for this, or you can use rolled oats, as I have. The only difference is it will come out with a slightly different texture. Now in with that lovely sweet liquid. And let's give it a stir so it's completely incorporated. There, that should do it. Into the prepared tin. Let's get it all in, don't want to waste any. Every last spoonful. That's it. It's a very thick mixture, so let's spread it right out and get it into those corners. There, now it's ready for the oven. Once it's baked, it needs to be left in the tin until it's completely cold. Now it's cold, it can come out of the tin. Now the thing about Parkin is sadly you can't eat it straight away. This now needs to be wrapped up, popped into an airtight tin and left for 5 days. As it develops, it will become beautifully soft and sticky, and that's when you want to try it. Oh, it's a bit of a tight squeeze. Oh, just. The first thing that will hit you when you open the tin is the smell. That sweet, spicy, delicious smell of Parkin. And there it is. You'll see a difference in the texture too. It's so nice and soft. And because of that paper, it has that lovely edge. There. So let's cut it and have a look. We used to eat this as children. There we go, just as I remember. Now the best thing to have Parkin with is hot chocolate. It's the perfect match, and you can even dunk the Parkin into the hot chocolate. Beautiful. Thanks for watching today. Take care, and I'll catch you really soon.